Step 1. The drain of filter. 1. Shut off valves on inlet and outlet of filter. Please check if the outlet valve is automatically. 2. Open the manual valve on drain, pipeline to drain. Step 2. Remove the cable between motor and the grounding point. 1. Open the filter motor junction box. Remove cable. Remove stuffing box. Disassemble motor cable in junction box. 2. Remove the cable between filter cover and grounding point. Step 3. Remove filter cover. 1. Remove bolt around the cover. 2. Remove filter cover by lifting equipment. Step 4. Remove flushing arm. 1. Remove bolts which fixed the flushing arm. Attention! Bolts drops. 2. Remove the 3 sealing pieces. Attention! Seals installation sequence. 3. Remove flushing arm. Step 5. Remove the screen. 1. Remove whole screen by lifting equipment. During lifting, be careful to prevent the screen collision. 2. Remove bolts from the top cover of the screen. Remove top cover of the screen. 3. Pull out filter cartridge one by one slightly. Careful, do not lose the O-ring on both ends of filter cartridge. Step 6. Cleaning the screen. 1. Flush the screen with high pressure water gun, less than 7 bar. If incrustation cannot be cleaned, you need a chemical cleaning agent. 2. For the incrustation, chemical cleaning agent can use DC portion of cleaning oil separator disc or used waste liquid. 3. Check the result after immersed the screen in the chemical cleaning agent for 15 minutes. If there are bubble and incrustation can be cleaned easily, which indicates the chemical cleaning agent is available. 4. The immerse time depends on the incrustation can be cleaned by high pressure water gun. 5. After the immerse, flush the screen with high pressure water gun.